Ukraine has really regained half of the territory in Severodonetsk and Kiev on Saturday confirmed that a successful counter-offensive had helped to recapture much of the fiercely contested city in the Donbas region. Ukrainian forces had indeed achieved a remarkable feat by managing to push back Russian troops who initially looked to have entirely taken control of the city, and this is important partial success for the Ukrainians. Now thousands of Russian troops are amassing for an assault on the nearby city of Sloviansk, and the city is an important transportation hub. And the city is one of the last areas of the Donbas region that is still beyond Russian control. Regarding the heavy weapons promised by Western countries for Ukraine, they might arrive in the Donbas in several weeks, meaning they may not be of any use in the current fight by the time they arrive. But Ukrainian authorities say they are preparing for a long war of attrition, so the weapons could make a difference in possible upcoming counter-offensives. The governor of Luhansk province said Russia had retreated in the industrial city of Severodonetsk, now one of only 2 settlements in the province that aren't under Russian control. Right now, our soldiers have pushed them back, and the Russians are suffering huge casualties, Serhiy Haidai said in a live TV broadcast on Saturday. He added, Russians are blowing up bridges, so we could not bring in reinforcements to our boys in Severodonetsk. Ukrainian news website Dialogue.ua also reported that Igor Gurkin, a pro-Russian veteran who had been active in the war in Donbas since 2014, confirmed details of the retreat on his Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.